Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I made this adorable turkey wreath using the daisy chain method. For this project I'm using 2 rolls of mesh, and I'm going to start out by cutting each roll into 10 by 10 inch pieces. To make the petal, I'm going to take a piece of mesh and face it upwards. Then I'm going to fold it diagonally as neat as I can get it, making sure the sides are all lining up. Then I'm going to take the top and fold that down. And now from here, I'm going to fold it down again. Notice how I didn't come all the way down with the fold. It just gives it a neater look after this next fold. Now I'm going to pinch the middle and fold it in half. Then use a clip to hold it in place, and I'm going to do the same thing with the brown mesh. Now I'm going to combine the two. I'm going to take the clip off of the gold mesh, and I found it easier to hold them both in one hand, then wrap one side of the brown around the gold. I've seen other people do this part a little differently, so it's all about what works for you. Do a little adjusting, then secure it with a zip tie. The first and third rows are going to have the gold in the center and brown on the outside, and the second row will be reversed, brown in the center and gold on the outside. So with my Dollar Tree frame, I'm going to cut this in half with my wire cutters. I cut mine right below the bar that holds all the rings together. Now I'm going to take my plastic canvas and trace the center, then cut this shape out. I cut my pipe cleaners in half, and I'm using them to attach the mesh. I would suggest using a different color that blends better. This was a spur of the moment craft for me, so I just used what I had. I'm going to work on the second ring and I'm going to start attaching my petals. For the second row, I'm going to use my alternate petals and I'm going to attach the petals to the plastic canvas with my pipe cleaners. My main concern is covering up the pipe cleaners from the first row. So the way I determine where to attach the pipe cleaner is to position each petal first and then stick the pipe cleaner through the canvas where the bottom of the petal was. For the final row, I'm going to start in the middle, and I'm using the same method as the previous row. Make sure the placement of your petal will cover the pipe cleaners from the previous row, then add your pipe cleaner. So here is my turkey sign, and I just want to use the body part of the sign. And I definitely got lucky with this sign because all I had to do was unscrew the back to remove it from that body part. So I'm going to hot glue some pipe cleaners to the back. You may want to add some tape or use a staple gun like I did if you have one, because these are a little heavy. This part is optional. I had leftover mesh and just decided to make 3 more petals and attach them to the bottom. Lastly, I'm going to use part of a pipe cleaner and tie it to the top of the wreath and then hot glue it to the center. That way I can have a way to hang this without it sliding around. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more crafting videos. Thank you so much for watching.